So today I'll be showing you how to change the Google account in QuickShare on your Samsung phone. So go to settings, and then under settings go to connected devices, tap on that, and then you should see QuickShare at the top. You want to tap on that, and then this is where you can twinkle with the accounts associated with QuickShare. So for me, you can see I have QuickShare with my Samsung account and also my Google account. Now I can change the specific Google account for my QuickShare account. So I can tap on that and then choose a different Google account. So you can see now the Google account for QuickShare is a different one. So that helps me share with non-Galaxy devices, QuickShare, so I can share with my other devices on the same Google account that are not necessarily Samsung phones. Okay, so that's basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.